Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making one of my all-time favorite treats, milkshakes. We'll whip up 3 irresistible flavors: classic chocolate, strawberry delight, and dreamy vanilla. These are super easy, perfect for any occasion, and I'll share my best tips for creamy, delicious results. Grab your ingredients and let's get started. First up, we're diving into the classic chocolate milkshake. A timeless favorite that's rich, creamy, and pure happiness in a glass. There's something magical about that first sip, instantly transporting you to a cozy diner booth or a sunny afternoon at home. This shake is all about comfort, nostalgia, and of course, chocolate. Start with the best chocolate ice cream you can find. Quality really makes a difference here. Let it sit out for a few minutes to soften, so it blends smoothly and gives you that perfect velvety texture. Scoop 4 generous helpings of chocolate ice cream into your blender. Don't be shy, this is the base of your shake, so go big. Next, pour in a 1/4 cup of whole milk. Whole milk adds that extra creaminess and helps everything blend together beautifully. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of rich chocolate syrup. This is what gives your shake that classic, sweet chocolate flavor we all crave. Here's my secret ingredient, a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa powder. It deepens the chocolate flavor and adds a touch of sophistication to every sip. Blend everything on low at first, then switch to high for about 30 seconds. You want it thick and creamy, not runny, so keep an eye on the texture as you go. If your shake is too thick to pour, just add a splash more milk and blend again until it's just right. The perfect milkshake should be thick enough to hold a straw upright, but still silky smooth. Pour your milkshake into a tall, chilled glass. Chilling the glass keeps your shake frosty and refreshing from the first sip to the last. Now for the fun part. Top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream. It's not just for looks. It adds a light, airy finish to every sip. Drizzle a little more chocolate syrup over the whipped cream for that extra touch of decadence. Sprinkle on some chocolate shavings for a fancy cafe-style finish. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. And of course, don't forget the cherry on top. It's the classic finishing touch that makes every milkshake feel special. What you have now is the ultimate chocolate treat. Thick, creamy, and absolutely decadent. Every sip is pure chocolate bliss. Feel free to get creative with your toppings, mini marshmallows, sprinkles, or even a cookie on the side. Or keep it classic and let the chocolate shine. Each sip is like a trip back in time, bringing that old-school diner nostalgia right to your kitchen. This shake is perfect for chocolate lovers, kids, or anyone who needs a sweet pick-me-up after a long day. Once you taste this homemade version, you'll never want to go back to store-bought again. The flavor and texture are just unbeatable. It's so easy, so delicious, and guaranteed to become your new go-to chocolate shake recipe. Ready to try something new? Let's keep shaking and explore more delicious flavors. Grab your blender, gather your ingredients, and let's move on to the next milkshake adventure. With this recipe, you've got chocolate perfection right at home anytime you crave it. Next up, let's whip up a strawberry delight milkshake, fresh, fruity, and absolutely perfect for those warm summer days when you're craving something sweet and cool. This shake is a celebration of summer's best flavors, and it's so easy to make at home. Start with a cup of ripe, whole strawberries. The juicier and redder the better. This is where all that amazing flavor comes from. Drop those strawberries into your blender first. This helps them blend smoothly and gives your shake a vibrant, natural pink color. Next, add 4 generous scoops of creamy vanilla ice cream. The ice cream makes the shake rich, thick, and extra indulgent, just like a treat from your favorite diner. Pour in a 1/4 cup of cold milk. This helps everything blend together and gives your shake that perfect sippable consistency. If your strawberries are a little tart, sprinkle in a teaspoon of sugar. You can adjust the sweetness to your taste, or even use honey for a different twist. Blend everything together until it's creamy, smooth, and beautifully pink. About 30 seconds should do the trick. The aroma will fill your kitchen. Pour your luscious strawberry shake into a chilled glass to keep it extra cold and refreshing. Top it off with a generous swirl of whipped cream for that classic milkshake look. and a touch of creamy sweetness. Garnish with a fresh strawberry on the rim. It's a simple touch that makes your shake look extra special. For a bit of fun, add some pink and white sprinkles on top. They add a playful crunch and make your shake party ready. Every sip is bursting with real strawberry flavor, thanks to all those fresh berries blended right in. It's light, refreshing, and totally satisfying, just what you need to cool off and treat yourself. This shake is perfect for hot afternoons, picnics, or any time you want something fruity and uplifting. The bright pink color and sweet aroma are simply irresistible. One look and you'll want to dive right in. Using real fruit makes all the difference. You get natural sweetness, vibrant color, and a taste that's truly homemade. It's a very good time in a glass, fun, festive, and full of flavor. Want to mix things up? Try adding other berries like blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries for your own custom blend. Or get creative with toppings, chocolate chips, extra fruit, or even a drizzle of strawberry syrup. Make it your own. This is summer in a glass. Simple, delicious, and guaranteed to make you smile with every sip. Ready for our final shake? Let's go vanilla and keep the fun going. Grab your ice cream and let's blend up another treat. With this strawberry shake, you've got perfection in every glass. Cheers to sweet moments. Finally, we arrive at the dreamy classic vanilla milkshake, a timeless treat that's simple, elegant, and endlessly customizable. This is the shake that brings back memories of old-school diners and cozy afternoons, but with a touch of modern flair. Start with high-quality vanilla bean ice cream for the richest, most authentic flavor. The tiny specks of real vanilla bean are what set this shake apart from the rest. Scoop 4 generous helpings into your blender. Don't be shy, this is where the creaminess begins. Pour in a 1/4 cup of whole milk. Whole milk gives the shake a luscious, velvety texture, but you can use your favorite milk or even a splash of cream for extra decadence. Add a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Skip the imitation stuff. Real vanilla deepens the flavor and makes every sip special. Blend everything together until smooth and thick, about 30 seconds. You want a consistency that's creamy, but still thick enough to hold a straw upright. Pour your dreamy vanilla shake into a chilled glass to keep it frosty and refreshing from the first sip to the last. Top it off with a generous swirl of whipped cream. The light, airy topping is the perfect contrast to the dense, creamy shake. For a little crunch, tuck in a vanilla wafer cookie. It's a simple touch that adds both texture and nostalgia. Grate a little fresh nutmeg on top for a hint of warmth and spice. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. The result? A shake that's creamy, smooth, and absolutely packed with real vanilla flavor. Every sip is a celebration of simplicity done right. This classic vanilla shake is the perfect base for all your favorite mix-ins. Try swirling in cookies, a drizzle of caramel, or a spoonful of malt powder for a fun twist. Vanilla is never boring when it's made right. It's elegant, classic, and endlessly comforting, like a warm hug in a glass. Those beautiful specks of vanilla bean make it extra special, showing off the care you put into every detail. Enjoy it as is, or get creative with toppings. Think sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or even a cherry on top. It's a true classic for a reason, standing out with its pure, comforting flavor. Soothing, simple, and always delicious, this shake is perfect for any occasion, whether you're celebrating or just treating yourself. You'll love how easy it is to make, and how satisfying every sip can be. Vanilla lovers, this one's for you. Share it with friends or savor it all to yourself. That's our trio of shakes: chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. Each one is a classic in its own right. Which one will you try first? No matter your choice, you're in for a treat. Let's wrap it up. And there you have it. 3 delicious milkshakes: classic chocolate strawberry delight and dreamy vanilla. I hope you're inspired to make your own at home. Let me know in the comments which flavor you'll try first, or share your favorite milkshake ideas. If you enjoyed this, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.